Hi everybody, this is Dr. Harry. Did you know that your body has a specific type of fat that can help you to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, clean up and use as fuel the fats in your blood so you can have better triglyceride levels, better cholesterol levels, and may actually help you to boost your metabolism and maintain a healthier weight? What type of fat am I talking about? Well, I am talking about brown fat. So the body has two types of fat, white fat and brown fat. Now, white fat is the fat that most of us are familiar with. We see it on our butt and our legs and our thighs and the places that we don't like to see it around the middle. So we can readily identify the presence of white fat. White fat is also the fat that tends to surround our internal organs and increase inflammation when activated. Brown fat, on the other hand, is something we cannot see. And it is called brown fat because it has a lot of those energy factories called the mitochondria in it. And these energy factories, they burn a lot of energy. Here's the thing about brown fat. We only have 0.0001% of brown fat. And where is this brown fat located? Well, it's usually located in the neck and along the spine, sometimes along the collarbone, and we need specific equipment in order to be able to identify this brown fat. That is why it's taken so long to be able to identify brown fat in adults. And I say this because in babies have a lot more brown fat than adults do, and we knew that. But it's only relatively recently that we thought that by adulthood, we had no more brown fat. It's only relatively recently we've been able to identify the fact that we do have brown fat still as adults and the importance of that brown fat. So even though this brown fat is only such a very, very small percentage, when it's activated, it uses up about half the sugar and fat in the bloodstream as energy. And in using this energy, the waste product of it is heat. And so that's how it starts improving or increasing your metabolism. Now that seems like a lot to process, I know. So let's talk about what can help brown fat. What are some everyday things that can help us recruit more brown fat? Because some individuals have more active brown fat than others. And so how can we help to recruit the brown fat that we do have to help us? Well, research has shown that actually cooler temperatures can do that. And what do I mean by cooler temperatures? No, I don't mean cryogenic temperatures. I mean cooler temperatures. Temperatures anywhere from about 59 to 64 have been shown to do this. And so what the research shows is that it took individuals, placed them in a cooler environment. This one was about 64 degrees, kind of sitting around for about 2 to 3 hours. And what they discovered is that those individuals burned an additional 250 calories. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but remember, 250 calories, 500 calories, 1 pound, over time it does add up. And some research is actually showing if you exercise in cooler temperatures, you may be able to recruit more brown fat because exercise also activates more brown fat. When you exercise, the muscles secrete a specific, very special hormone called irisin, and that has been shown to recruit more brown fat and may even have the ability to turn some of our white fat into beige or brown fat. So, finally, the third thing I wanted to mention here is that the skin of an apple also contains a very special ingredient that may help to activate more brown fat. So when we talked about an apple a day, keeping a doctor away because of its fiber and the pectin and may able to help us decrease our cholesterol levels, it seems that apples again come into play here. And this special ingredient is called oxalic acid. And that may also help us to recruit more brown fat. So here we see 3 easy things that we can do to help our bodies work for us. So until next time, this is Dr. Harry, and I hope this was a little bit informative for you, and now you know a little bit more about how your body works. Bye-bye.